In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel all your connections on LinkedIn. Connections is friend requests that you've sent on LinkedIn. How you can cancel and withdraw all the connections. When you send so many connections or requests on LinkedIn, LinkedIn tends to block your account when the people you send the request did not respond to your request and accept you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate all the friend requests or connections that you've made on LinkedIn and be able to cancel or withdraw them all. So let's go and open a browser. Open a browser, type linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once LinkedIn opens, go to My Network. Once you go to My Network, it's loading. Click on Manage. Here, if you go back, here is where you have your connections. Connections, I have like 70 connections for now. So just go to Manage. Click on Manage, Received, Sent. From this sent, you will see all the connections that you've made on LinkedIn. So click on Sent. You see, here are the connections that I've made on LinkedIn, but they are still pending. They have not accepted me yet. So what I need to do is click on Withdraw. Click on Withdraw. If you withdraw now, you won't be able to resend to this person for up to 3 weeks. Yes, withdraw. So click on Withdraw from here. So you guys can see how easy it is for you to withdraw or cancel all the friend requests in your LinkedIn. Meanwhile, if you want to know how to do the same thing on Facebook, how you can locate your friend request on Facebook and cancel all the friend requests that you sent on Facebook, you have to click on the video that is going to pop up at the end of this video. Make sure you watch that video if you want to know how you can cancel all the friend requests on your Facebook profile.